What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to manually renew your IX Global subscription. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to come to ixacademy.us. Okay, ixacademy.us. This is the back office. Okay, simply enter your username and password and log in. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. So if you guys see here at the top, if your package is expired, you can come here and click renew, or you can come over here to the left-hand menu, go down to account management, click package purchase, then package purchase. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click renew. They'll both take you to the exact same place. So then it's gonna bring up all of your packages, and I'm gonna go down and go ahead and click the Pro Pack, click upgrade. Then it's gonna ask if I want any add-ons, but for now I'm just gonna scroll down to the bottom where it says subtotal and go ahead and click continue. Okay, then it brings up your order summary and just making sure it has all your information correct. So you scroll down, go ahead and click checkout. Then you can scroll down and select your payment method and proceed to make payment. Then on this page, go ahead and confirm your payment information and click pay now. And then it's going to show you guys your invoice confirming that, hey, the payment went through and your package is now active once again. So I hope you guys liked this video and I hope it helped you know how to manually renew your IX Global subscription. If you want to confirm it, let's go ahead and go back to dashboard. Okay, and it shows that I'm active once again. Awesome, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time.